Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, do not make it your last. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys. Thank you so much for your support all through my other videos. Okay, this video I'm just going to go straight to the point. Like, this is going to be one of the most comprehensive and detailed video I'm going to ever share. It's just going to be about the starting process, from the application process of getting admission in the United States. All you need to know about that, to the visa process. All the amount of money you need to spend, I'm going to detail it in this video. So just grab your cup of coffee, get your book, because it's educative. Yeah, I'm passing information to you. Then you need to write down some tips. So I know this video is going to spoil lots of businesses from those agencies or those agents that collect like 1 million naira, 500,000 naira, 300,000 naira from candidates that wants to study in the United States. That's ridiculous. That's a lot of money. With that 300 or 500, you are done with your whole application. You have even gotten visa safe and everything. So yeah, so just keep watching my videos. So the first thing that you need to know is that most of the schools, they accept international students in fall semester and spring semester. Fall semester starts in August. I came in during the fall semester, and then the spring semester starts in January. So if you want to start your application, if you want to come during the fall semester or during the spring semester, you can apply. It's advisable to apply like 5 months before the semester starts, or even more than. They also, some schools also accept summer semesters, but they are limited. Not all schools accept summer semester. There are very few schools that accept summer semester. So that's the first thing you need to know. The second thing you need to know is the document you need for the application. So the document you need for your application is, the first thing is your international passport. Of course, you need to like get your international passport. You're going international now, so you need international passport. Then the second thing you need to get from your university is your transcript. It mustn't be your official transcript, because your official transcript, you're not supposed to have it in your hand. It's supposed to be sent from your school, like the school you got your bachelor's in, to the school in the United States. So you just need an unofficial transcript. Mustn't have your total CGPA. They can do the whole calculation themselves. Then I know most of us are concerned about, oh God, I don't want to write IELTS. Me too, I did not want to write IELTS. 80% of schools in the United States do not need IELTS or TOEFL. If you have it, okay, yes, is a plus, but not plus, but it's a plus. But then it's not something that you should be concerned about. For Nigeria, most schools will waive IELTS or TOEFL, because we speak English in Nigeria now, so we are accepted without it. So the next thing you also need to get is your bachelor's degree, your degree certificate. Yeah, so that is part of your document you need to provide when submitting your application. And one thing you should know is that your CGPA also matters, because if your CGPA is low, probably you're getting like the total CGPA is like maybe a 3.2 in a scale of 5.0, or 3.2, 3.5, like some schools will not accept you with that GP. So you need to write like GRE to support your result, to support your CGPA. So if you know your CGPA is not high enough, you write GRE. But not all schools. So this one you need to check your, if you apply to a particular school, or if you want to apply to a particular school, you go down to the your required course, and then you check the required checklists, so you know what and what you should not do. But this, what I'm going to give you, is the basic things that most schools in the US go with. So the next document you'll be needing is your recommendation letter. You need to get your recommendation letter from probably the person you've worked with, or the head of your department, or the dean of your faculty. So me, I got mine from the supervisor of my project in my bachelor's. Then I got another from the head of my department too, and then I got the last one from my supervisor in my PPA, the primary place of assignment during my NYSC. So that was all completed it to be 3, because some of them you cannot give them you cannot get a recommendation letter from someone that's not professional. I don't know if I'm making any sense. Then you need to get your statement of purpose. You need to explain to the school you want to go to why you would want to go to that school and why you chose that course. So just take your time, calm down. You don't need to pay anybody to do that. No, do it yourself. It's not hard. I can help out. You can just tell me. Okay, so so you need a statement of purpose. Once you're done uploading all these documents, then you need to pay an application fee. Yeah, it's not so much. It's within $50 to $100. During my own time, I paid $50, and $50 is like 23,000, 25,000 ish, because they will debit you with the normal rate, not the black market rate. So don't be scared that you pay like 70,000 or 35,000. So yeah, that's all you need to know about the documents that you need to get your application done. After you've gotten your admission, what's next? So there's something called your I-20. So after you've gotten your admission, the school is going to obviously send you a mail that to get your I-20, you need a bank statement from your sponsor, from yourself, whosoever it is that you sponsor. You just need to provide a bank statement that shows that you are capable of sponsoring your fees and your stay in the United States for at least 1 year. So immediately you get your I-20, then you apply for you start looking for visa dates. So that's visa dates. There's a link, I think before I upload this video, I'm going to put down the link where you can, the form that you need to fill, which is your DS-160. So immediately you get your I-20, you start filling your DS-160 form, and towards the ending, when you're done filling the form for your DS-160, then you can now apply for it. But the thing is, you do not need to finish your DS-160. Just get the code there. So it is the code that that you get your DS-160. That's what you can use to apply for your visa. Just know also that if you are a Nigerian and you want to come to the United States, there are very, very limited dates. So you really need to struggle to get a date. That's where the struggle is, getting a visa date. Yes, because if you go now, if you check, if you're done and you want to get the date, what you're going to see is 2024 or 2025, because the whole of next year is already filled up. But the trick is that they used to still release dates during, though when you're done you will see that it's filled up for the entire year, but they still release dates. So I would advise you probably form or join some group chats or whatever it is, so you can track whenever they release dates. It could be in the midnight, they can just release like 5 slots, 10 slots, or wherever. So this is the information you need to know about your getting your I-20 and then your TS 160. Yes. So guys, after you're done getting your I-20 and filling your TS 160 comprehensively without mistakes and without lies, then you're good to go to pay your service fee. The service fee is $350,000. Sorry. The service fee is $350. Hey, where will I sit there? The service fee is $350, and the annoying part of it, or the stressful part of that fee, is that you can't pay it in Nigeria. So someone in the United States has to make the payment for you. $50,000. What is wrong with me? It is $350. Yes. So once you make the payments, then you're good to go. I'm still going to search for the link on what you need to know about service fee and how to make the payments. I'll look for this link and attach it in this video. So once you're done getting your I-20, you have printed it out. Your DS-160, the barcode, you have printed it out. Your service fee confirmation receipt, you have printed it out. You have your I-20, this international passport, all the documents I mentioned. The only thing that is remaining is God and your confidence. Yes, because me coming here, it's not by my power. I know the kind of prayer that I did. I know the kind of fasting. I know how many masses I booked because I am Catholic and I believe in God. Yes, so it is between yourself and God, and then your confidence, because yes, because me coming here, it's not by my power. I know the kind of prayer that I did. I know the kind of fasting. I know how many masses I booked because I am Catholic and I believe in God. Yes, so it is between yourself and God, and then your confidence, because prayer and works, prayer and hard work. Yeah. So with this information, I can't wait to see you guys here in the United States. Please, if you are coming, bring egusi soup and everything for me, because I miss Nigerian food a lot. So thank you guys for watching. If there's something I'm missing out, you feel I need to give more details about a particular part or something I said, or I quickly said, instead of giving it in detail, just let me know. Just tell me. Let me hear what you want to say. Let me give you my ideas. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comments. Just love you guys. Bye.